Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with an order from Temu. This was purchased by myself. It's been about 2.5 weeks that I've had it, but so much has been going on in my life, I couldn't do a video. So I decided I'm going to do it today. First thing I got is I bought these stickers for Alley Cat and Coda Bear, and I think I paid like $1 something for them. And I don't even know what the characters are. I just recognize the feel of them. So I'll just share them. There's some funky little, I don't know. Some of them I recognize, some I don't. I know there's like Star Moon in here. But, like, I recognize this dude, but I couldn't tell you what his name is. Like this dude, I recognize him too. But Allie looked at them already. That's why they're on the package. She thought they were cool looking. Her and Coda are going to split them up because there's some character Codas in here. I mean, look at Ain't he cute? So they're kind of cute. They stick them on their stuff. Backpacks, notebooks, all that kind of stuff like I did as a kid. Like that's Star Moon or something. But, so, got them for Alley Cat and Coda Bear. Or Riley. I didn't think of Riley. Then I picked up 4 packs of their white markers. I have one right here. I'll show you the tip. I haven't checked them out yet, but I will, and I will tell you what I think of them. But this is the tip. They are acrylic paint markers, and I picked them up. I meant to put the prices on this stuff so you guys would know, but I forgot. Sorry about that. I will try to remember that next time. But this has been in my possession for almost 3 weeks. It's been all on my desk, and I was cleaning off my desk. I also got acrylic black ones. Tip on this one. It's like that. I don't know how well they work. I will do and let you know as soon as I use them, and I will tell you. Then I picked up a paint bucket again, which you get the lid. Get the little separator, and you get where you can put water in water, and you can put your brushes here, and you clean your paintbrush. I already have one, but I got this one for the grandkids to use because they like to use mine. And then I'm sitting with really dirty water, so I have to pick that up for the kids, grandkids. Now I got some stamps. So we can get a piece of paper here for you guys to see. Kind of mixed media. Oh, it was kind of cool. Different types of shapes, X's, circles, just kind of cool looking thing. And I thought these were kind of cool. They're light bulbs. And then I got this. I thought it was neat looking. And some circles. I thought those were cool. And mandalias. I'm not saying it wrong. It says, all good things, they take time. What goes around comes around. I like how it had an edge one and then a full one and another full one. Got some like script. Music. Baltimore. And then I got this one. It's got a stamp. Oh, I think it's split like there. Got a stamp. B22617. A little full, half slow. Looks like a ticket. Some gears in there. I thought that was kind of cool looking. And I got this one. Also, I thought was neat looking. I can't wait to set this down and color inside that. And then we've got these. They're like people. It says, I can't, K-A-O or something. And the little people. I like the shape of the people. I thought it was really cool for mixed media. And then I got this butterfly. And I think this butterfly is cool. Look at the eye. See the eye right there? It's kind of hard to see in the plastic, but I saw this and I'm like, I want that butterfly in my life. So I had to get it. But right there is an eye. It's kind of hard to see, but I thought it was so cool. And then you got the script and the stars. I can't wait to stamp that out. There, and his eyelashes going up. I just thought it was so neat looking. So that is my Temu order, guys. And just thought I'd share it with you. I can't wait to get back in the swing of things and play. You know? So, oh, I have something I got from Amazon. This is part of my birthday. And when it came, I was like, what is this? Because I forgot I ordered it. It's a square. Got a diamond on it. Isn't that cool? All right, ready, guys? Created by Tina Messy Crafty Life. I have another one that's a cow that says Tina Massey on, but I wanted one that had just created by Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Because that's what I am on YouTube. So I got it. I think I paid like 14 bucks for that. Really well made. And it's self-inking somehow. I don't figure that out. But I figured if when the self-inking goes out, you just pop this off here. Somehow. It does tell you how to do it. Or here. Right there. And you add your own ink. So, that's cool. That's what I liked about it. That I can add my own ink to it. If need be. Gotta make sure. I am gonna put my own. There we go. Because I had an arrow there, so I can tell what direction it goes in. But that was cool. That was a birthday present from Scott. But that's it, everybody. I can put it back in my bake. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're all doing well. I hope to see you soon. I do have a box full of goodies I won from Kathy's World, and I will be doing that video tomorrow. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.